Creating a minimalist home office through woodworking projects presents a remarkable avenue for combining style and functionality while generating income. In an age where remote work has become increasingly prevalent, the demand for aesthetically pleasing and practical office spaces has surged. By focusing on minimalist designs, woodworkers can craft elegant solutions that enhance productivity and creativity, all while appealing to a market that values simplicity and efficiency. At the heart of minimalist design lies the principle of less is more. This philosophy emphasizes clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and the thoughtful selection of materials. In a home office setting, this approach fosters an environment conducive to concentration and creativity. Woodworking projects that embody these ideals can range from desks and shelving units to organizers and accessories. The beauty of minimalism is that each piece serves a clear purpose while maintaining an aesthetic that is both calming and inspiring. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of minimalist home office woodworking projects ideas for make money and style your home office. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When embarking on woodworking projects for a minimalist home office, the selection of materials is crucial. High quality wood not only enhances the visual appeal of the furniture, but also contributes to its durability and functionality. Choosing sustainable sources, such as reclaimed wood or responsibly harvested timber, resonates with environmentally conscious consumers, further elevating the attractiveness of your creations. Each piece of wood tells its own story, and when transformed into functional art, it becomes a vital part of the workspace environment. The design process is where creativity truly flourishes. Minimalist woodworking projects often prioritize functionality without sacrificing style. For instance, a simple desk can incorporate hidden compartments for storage, allowing for a clean surface free of clutter. This duality of form and function is essential in creating pieces that resonate with users. By innovating on traditional designs, woodworkers can introduce elements such as cable management solutions, built-in charging stations, or adjustable heights, catering to the needs of modern remote workers. As artisans engage in the construction of their projects, the tactile experience of working with wood becomes a source of fulfillment. The act of shaping, sanding, and finishing each piece allows craftsmen to connect deeply with their materials. This hands-on approach not only enhances the quality of the final product, but also infuses it with a sense of pride and ownership. Each project becomes a reflection of the artisan's skills and vision, translating into a product that stands out in the marketplace. Finishing touches play a vital role in the aesthetic appeal of minimalist designs. The choice of stains, paints, or natural finishes can dramatically alter the look and feel of a piece. For a minimalist office, a clear finish that highlights the natural beauty of the wood can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Alternatively, a matte black or white paint can lend a contemporary edge to furniture, aligning with a more modern aesthetic. The finishing process is an opportunity for artisans to express their individual style while ensuring that the final piece meets the expectations of discerning clients. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves decor. Let's create and decorate together. Marketing these minimalist woodworking projects opens up various avenues for generating income. Artisans can establish an online presence through e-commerce platforms or social media, showcasing their creations to a broader audience. Engaging storytelling about the design process and the materials used can resonate with potential customers, creating an emotional connection to the products. This narrative not only highlights the craftsmanship involved, but also underscores the sustainability and thoughtfulness behind each piece. Participating in local craft fairs or artisan markets can also provide exposure and opportunities for sales. Personal interactions allow artisans to share their passion for woodworking, making it easier to convey the value of their minimalist designs. Customers appreciate the opportunity to meet the maker and gain insight into the creative process, which can enhance their desire to purchase unique, handcrafted items that elevate their home office spaces. In addition to selling individual pieces, woodworkers can explore the possibility of custom commissions. Many clients seek personalized solutions to fit their specific needs and spaces. By offering bespoke designs, artisans can cater to a niche market that values individuality and craftsmanship. This approach not only increases revenue potential, but also fosters long-lasting relationships with clients who appreciate the artistry and effort that goes into creating tailored pieces. As artisans build their brands within the minimalist woodworking niche, they can also leverage social media platforms to showcase their work and connect with a larger audience. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of the creative process, tutorials, or tips on maintaining a minimalist lifestyle can engage followers and establish a sense of community. This online presence can lead to increased visibility and, ultimately, sales as potential customers become invested in the brand and its values. Moreover, the minimalist home office trend aligns well with the growing emphasis on well-being and mindfulness in workspaces. As people seek to create environments that minimize distractions and promote focus, the demand for thoughtfully designed furniture continues to rise. By positioning their creations as solutions to common challenges faced by remote workers, artisans can tap into a market that values quality, functionality, and aesthetics. Collaboration with other creators can also enhance the appeal of minimalist woodworking projects. Partnering with interior designers, for example, can open doors to new clientele who are seeking cohesive design solutions for their home offices. Such collaborations can lead to mutually beneficial relationships, expanding the reach of both parties while enriching the creative process. In the intersection of woodworking, minimalist design, and the need for functional home office solutions represents a remarkable avenue for making money while creating beautiful art. By focusing on thoughtful design, quality materials, and the principles of minimalism, artisans can craft pieces that resonate with consumers seeking simplicity and elegance in their workspaces. This journey not only allows woodworkers to express their creativity and craftsmanship, but also positions them to thrive in a market increasingly valuing sustainable, handcrafted, and aesthetically pleasing solutions. As the demand for minimalist home offices continues to grow, so too does the opportunity for artisans to carve out their niche, transforming their passion for woodworking into a profitable and fulfilling venture. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked minimalist home office woodworking projects ideas for make money and style your home office. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.